Hi there! In this short video we will go over the very basics of how to use your Hexlox key together with your Hexlox. The Hexlox is pretty small, so please always keep the Hexlox bonded to the Hexlox key, like this. Then there's no risk of accidentally dropping it. The Hexlox key bonds with the Hexlox mechanically, but the Hexlox itself is held in place inside the bolt magnetically, so you need to find out if your bolt is magnetic or not. The vast majority of bike bolts are magnetic, so this is the most likely scenario. To find out, simply place your Hexlox close to your bolt. If your bolt is magnetic, your Hexlox clearly attaches to the bolt, like this. But sometimes it could be that your bolt is made from stainless steel, which is much less magnetic, so the Hexlox will not attach as easily. The difference in magnetic force between a standard magnetic bolt and a stainless bolt is big, and you will clearly see and feel the difference. If your bolt is made from stainless steel, then simply replace it with a standard bolt, since your Hexlox will eventually fall out if you use it inside the stainless steel bolt. If you absolutely want to keep your stainless bolt, then we have a solution for that as well. Simply get a Hexlox for non-magnetic bolts. Please note that this is only available for 5 and 6 mm bolts. Now for a few additional tips. Always keep your bolts clean. Push the Hexlox key into your Hexlox and insert it into your bolt. Congrats! Your bolt is now secured against theft. For the Hexlox key to properly bond to your Hexlox, it's important that you push the Hexlox key straight into the Hexlox at 90 degrees. Don't wiggle the Hexlox key when you insert it. Keep it at 90 degrees. Simply push the Hexlox key in firmly, even as hard as you can. Don't worry, it will not break. Some people find it helpful to slightly turn the Hexlox key while pushing. To remove the Hexlox key, simply twist it and pull it out. If you want more useful tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel over here. Thank you for watching. Now go out and worry less and ride more.